Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing.
Although many peer functions can be performed on a mixed network, your job as system administrator is much easier if you undertake the more straightforward client-server approach with a mixed installation. Additionally, if your network includes machines running Windows and is connected to the Internet, you would be irresponsible not to set up a firewall and let Linux handle web, FTP, and mail services. History has shown that Linux is more secure in its fundamental architecture. However, there are thousands of eyes constantly searching for and fixing potential security exploits. Red Hat is often first to make these fixes available, usually before the exploits are known to the cracker crowd. A client-server network acts very much like a small internet. Just about any machine can connect to it and make use of its services, irrespective of its architecture or operating system. Determining system requirements. Depending on the kind of network you choose, you need, of course, computers and any devices you intend to connect to the hub, like if you're using a star topology network. Don't forget an appropriate and supported Ethernet card for each machine, 2 for your firewall machine, because it has one line in from the outside world, and one line out to the rest of your network. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You also need the appropriate cabling and, if you go the recommended star topology route, 1 or more hubs to support the network. Thanks for watching.